commission.
Yes, ma'am.
You are for the state.
No, my lord, commission.
Mr. Basu Malik is for the state.
Yes. A very interesting case, my lord. Petitioner father's, my lord, date of birth, 2nd January 1961.
Where is the decision?
Decision page number 72. The rejection order. Got it?
District
last
Inspector of
portion.
School recommended to the commission. Commission returned it. My lord,
I
stated
place
this.
my case, my lord. Very interesting. The reason is shows that employee's age is 60
Just a
years.
minute, let me go through page 72 first. Yes, please, sir, please.
Kindly turn page number 30.
You are for the state.
No, my lord, commission.
Mr. Basu Malik is for the state.
Yes. A very interesting case, my lord. Petitioner father's, my lord, date of birth, 2nd January 1961.
Where is the decision?
Decision page number 72. The rejection order, page number 72. Got it?
District
last
Inspector of
portion.
School recommended to the commission. Commission returned it. My lord,
I
stated
place
this.
my case, my lord. Very interesting. The reason is shows that employee's age is 60
Just a
years.
minute, let me go through page 72 first. Yes, please, sir, please.
Kindly turn page number 30. That is the petitioner's father date of birth. It is recorded in the service book. Kindly take my page number 30. Date of birth by Christian era as nearly as
Page number 32.
30. Please look. 30. Got it, man? Petition para 5. Column 5, my lord. Sorry, entry
Yes,
5.
yes, yes.
Date of birth 2nd January 1961.
Yes.
Now kindly turn page number 33, my lord. Date of death of the petitioner's father, my lord. 1st January 20, page number 33, thereafter, my lord. Page number 33, got it, my lord? Date of birth, entry 3, my lord. 1st January 2021.
Page 33 is
Yes,
a death certificate.
Yes, my lord. Date of death, my lord. Got
1st
it?
January 2021.
21. Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly turn the rule position. What is the rule position? Kindly turn page number.
Therefore, on 1st January 2021, he completed 60 years.
60 years,
Not,
one
not,
day.
not the rule, my lord. Petitioner's father is a primary school teacher. My lord, kindly turn page number 86, the rule position. What is the rule position? Kindly turn, my lord, page number 86. This is the rule. for-
86.
Yes, my lord. I annex the rule.
আলাদা রুল 2016 রিক্রুটমেন্ট প্রসেসের রুল
Got it, my lord?
You sought appointment under compassionate,
Yes, my lord.
compassionate ground
Yes, my
in a school, in a secondary school,
lord. No. I am a son, words of a primary school
teacher, but your appointment, you sought for appointment in a secondary school in
My lord,
non-teaching
the,
post.
the compassionate appointment for primary school teacher is guided by the West Bengal primary, this 26 West Bengal primary schools.
Then why it
That
was
is
sent to
what-
the School Service Commission?
There I came thereafter, one after another. my lord. Kindly
No,
turn
why
page
it
number
was sent
97.
to the School Service Commission?
Yes, that is the rule position.
You must have applied for appointment
Yes,
on
yes, yes.
compassionate in
I
school,
I
in secondary
applied
school.
for the compassionate appointment only, and it is sent by the DI primary education, my lord. Before that, my lord, I just to place the rule position. Kindly turn page number 97. Rule 20. Sorry, 94. 94. I'm sorry, my lord. This is 94.
Page 94.
Yes, my lord. Rule 20, compassionate appointment. May I read, my lord? The
Just
first line is very important. And thereafter, I place the rule 60, rule 80. Family of a deceased primary school teacher, within bracket, very important, while in service, or the primary school teacher retired on being permanently, that is not applicable for me. The first few words are applicable for me. If the family of a deceased primary school teacher, while in service, whether I am in service, my father is in the service or not, how it determined? I'll kindly take rule 8.
Just a minute, let me go through the entire rule.
next paragraph.
Just a minute. So therefore, you are not eligible to be appointment in a primary school.
Not, but applicable rule. What is the applicable rule?
No, come to the proviso.
Yes, there are.
Provided that, read it.
Yes, my lord. Before that, my lord, date of retirement.
No, please come to the proviso. Since you are relying upon page 20, let it be considered as a
Yes,
whole.
as a whole, my lord.
Yes, please come to the proviso.
Yes, my lord.
Don't skip it.
Yes, my lord. Provided that, my last proviso.
No, first proviso.
Yes, my lord. Provided that the applicant seeking appointment as a primary school teacher under this category shall be allowed relaxation after. I am not asking for the.
So therefore, you are not entitled to get appointment in a primary school.
I am not seeking.
So your appointment needs to be considered in a non-teaching, in a post of non-teaching staff in a secondary school.
Then, my lord, which rule is applicable?
In a secondary school. Therefore, this rule will
My lord,
not come in aid of you.
My lord, yes, my lord. It is kindly take the last proviso.
That's why.
Kindly take the last.
That's why you will find in all matters that where the appointment, a ward of a teacher is seeking appointment on compassionate ground, whose father or mother was working in a primary school, in most of the cases, 99% cases, you will find that their appointments needs to be considered in a secondary school.
Yes, yes, I
Why?
am no doubt
Because
about
that
it.
candidate generally is found to be not TET qualified.
Yes, yes, yes.
That is the whole reason.
Yes, yes. But why they say so? Why they reject? They reject that my father's age was.
So therefore, I thought that there was an avenue left open. So far the petitioner is
I am
concerned.
not asking for the primary.
So far the petitioner is concerned to be appointed in a primary school under the died in harness category. That avenue is
No.
that
That
is
is
closed.
completely closed. I am
So
not asking for.
therefore, only avenue which is left open to the state respondents is to explore the possibility of your appointment in a secondary school.
In secondary school,
Now, in secondary school, that rules of 2009 shall be considered. So you address me that rule 2009 comes in your aid, even if you on the last date of your retirement, if you die.
Then
Because what is the date of father's father of what is the date of retirement of the father of the petitioner?
as per my understanding, date of retirement is 31st January 1960. Why? Kindly take rule 18.
No. What is the date of the retirement of the father of the
1st January to 2021. Kindly take my rule 18. What is the retirement?
31st January 2021.
Yes, my lord. Why? Kindly take rule 18, my lord. That's why rule 18 is very important. That's why I want to place it. Retirement. A primary teacher shall retire from the service on completion of his 60
Where
years.
from you are reading?
Page 94.
Yes.
Rule 18. Got it, my lord?
Rule 18. Yes.
Retirement.
Yes.
Expressively, it is.
Yes.
Retirement. A primary teacher shall retire from the service on completion of 60 years of age.
60th year of age.
Yes. Provided is very important. Provided where the date of birth of the retiring teacher fall other than first day of the month. My date of birth, second. The date of retirement shall be on the last date of that month. That means 31st January 2021. My father's retirement age, that means my father's retirement age is 31st January 2020.
On completion of your date of retirement, petitioner's father's date of petitioner's father's date of retirement is 1st of January 1961.
No, date of sorry, my lord.
Date of birth.
Date of birth, page number 30.
No, 1st of January 2021.
No, deepest of respect, my lord. That is not.
According to you, what is the date of retirement?
31st January 2020.
No, please
My lord, kindly
forget about 31st of January. I am asking you that if this provision is not there, rule 18, in that event, on which date you would have your father would have completed?
That would be 2nd January 2020. Yes, my lord, that's the
How can it be? Because the date of birth is if 2nd January 1961.
Yes,
Then the teacher's date of retirement is 1st of January 1921.
60 years, 1 day. 60 years, 1 day. He
When?
died, my lord. On the first day of 60 years, attaining the 60 years.
No. I am asking you what would be the date of retirement of the petitioner,
date of retirement as per not
irrespective of
yes,
the
irrespective of
that will
provision.
come later. Irrespective of rule 18,
Yes.
when petitioner has when the father of the petitioner completed 60 years.
Second January.
No.
Yes, my lord.
Acha.
Kindly, it's a simple calculation. Kindly, my lord.
Date of attaining 60 years must be on 1st of January 1961.
Greatest of respect, that is not the calculation. My lord, what is the
Now you come to page 94.
Yes, my lord.
So normal course.
Second
No.
respect, my lord, this is
Today,
calculation.
if teacher was born on 1st of January, 2nd of January 1961, his date of retirement must be 60 years, which is preceding the date of birth of the incumbent.
Yes, that is
Which is just preceding the date of birth of the incumbent. So therefore, if petitioner's father retired on 2nd January 1960, was born, father of the petitioner was born on 2nd January 1961, then date of retirement of the petitioner, or date of, rather, it will be easier to you to comprehend, that date of attaining 60 years of age should be on 1st of January 1960.
With deepest of respect, my lord, this rule 18 speaks about date of
Now
birth.
let us consider rule 18.
Yes, my lord. Before
A
that,
primary teacher shall retire from the service on completion of his 60th year of age.
then
Now, provided that where the date of birth of the retiring teacher falls other than first day of month, the date of retirement shall be on the last date of that month, and where the date of birth falls on the first day of the month, then the date of retirement shall be on the last date of the previous month. Here, the date of retirement of the father of the petitioner should be 31st December 2020.
No, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly see my date of birth, my lord. Kindly Well, what would be if the petitioner's father date of death is 1st January, then ought to be the 31st December. If that is 2nd January,
What is what
that
court?
will be
Court,
30th January.
court will proceed on the premise
Yes.
that the date of retirement of the petitioner is on 1st January
Court must
2021.
law.
Yes,
With-
yes.
what is the
Court
law
is trying
provision?
to court is trying to follow in the rule.
Madam,
The rule proviso to rule 18 is attracted when your date of retirement is 2nd January 2021.
Date of birth, not
2nd January 2021 if the date of retirement.
Madam,
Now, if
Depends
court
on
proceeds on the premise that your date of retirement, petitioner's father's date of retirement is 1st of January 2021, then this proviso to rule 18 is not attracted.
My lord, kindly see that
That is
third,
simple
third,
thing.
third word. Provided where the date of birth, date
If
of
if
retirement is
in
not
any-
considerable subject in accordance with
In
law.
any service
Madam,
condition,
forget about it.
in any service, even we are also required to put our date of retirement at the time of our confirmation. So what is no concept is same
With
that
request of
the
respect.
completion is prior to date of prior to the birthday, just one day prior to the birthday.
My lord, with deepest of respect, my lord.
Yes,
that
no.
is- What is the rule position?
Yes, I have considered the rule. Yes,
My lord, kindly see the rule
matter
position.
relates to matter.
This is the rule, my lord.
Yes, I have considered the rule. Without considering the rule, I am not.
My lord, kindly provided where the date of birth of the retiring teacher, even so. even
Matter
so
relates to
consider that
appointment
date
of the
of
petitioner.
2nd January.
I have heard you. Appointment of the petitioner on compassionate ground, being a son of a primary teacher. Stop. Subject matter of challenge is prior to that, Mr. Bosumolli, what is your instruction with regard to if court proceeds on this premise that his date of
31st December.
retirement is 1st of January 2021, then following rule proviso to rule 18,
Lordship.
that teacher retired on 31st December 2020.
My lord.
Now, what is your instruction?
So I have to take because I have.
What is your instruction? Whether
have-
petitioner retired on 31st of December 2020 or not?
Take instruction on that. That will be-
Yes.
That will be enough.
that which
That
that,
would be
that
enough.
much.
Why court will come to the conclusion applying the relevant rules?
Lordship.
Because the teacher died on 1st of January 2021.
My lord.
Now, it is the case of the petitioner that 1st of January 2021, if teacher died, and if the date of birth of the teacher is 2nd of January 1961, normally it is considered that teacher attained the age of 60 years on 1st of January 2021.
Lordship.
Now, if 1st of January 2021 is the date of attaining 60, is the date when the teacher concerned attained 60 years, in that event, applying proviso to rule 18,
My lord.
petitioner must have retired on 31st of December
December.
2020.
My lord.
In the case of the father of the petitioner, not petitioner, father of the petitioner, in the case of father of the petitioner, when the teacher died, teacher was considered to have
Retired.
retired.
I shall take an
Obtain
instruction.
instruction.
Lordship. But so far these rules is concerned, my lord.
No,
Whether-
but
whether
yes,
applicability of this
then
rule-
question arises how the DI has forwarded the case of
Yes,
the case
yeah.
of the petitioner,
So far the DI
case of the petitioner
Yes, my
to
lord.
the School Service Commission.
Now, my lord, I
If
have seen.
in that event, it must have been adjudged by the DI that it is a fit case. If it is a case that the father of the petitioner was considered to have retired on 31st of December 2020, then why petitioner's case was forwarded with recommendation for consideration by the commission?
My lord,
Regional
so far
Service
the TI is concerned, my lord, I find, my lord, nothing has
A
been spelled
simple
out.
thing. I
shall-
want to know that
Yes.
when the government treated the petitioner to have
Date
retired.
of retirement. I shall.
That would be the- and my lord, with deepest of respect, my lord, on
Matter is heard in presence of the learned advocates representing the petitioner, state respondents and West Bengal Central School Service Commission. Stop. Next paragraph. By memo dated 5th February 2024, prayer of the petitioner for being appointed on compassionate ground was rejected since it was found by the Assistant Secretary, West Bengal Regional School Service Commission, Eastern Region, Purbo Bardhaman, that father of the petitioner attained age of 60 years on 1st January 2021. Now, attained age of 60 years, attained age of 60 years at the time of his death. The teacher died on 1st January 2021, died. Died on 1st January 2021.
8:13 a.m.
Question 2021. Stop. Therefore, question arises for consideration whether petitioner retired on 31st December 2020. Now, question arises for consideration whether father of the petitioner retired on 31st December 2020 or on 1st January 2021 or 31st January 2021, applying Rule 18 of the West Bengal Primary School Teachers Recruitment Rules, 2016. Stop. Next paragraph. The District Inspector of Schools within bracket SC. Now, PE. Have you added DIP?
AC should be AC.
First, chairman DPSC sent to the DISC, then DISC.
No, I want to know it from the DI.
Yes.
Primary education.
No.
Have you added DI primary education as party respondent?
No, not, but because he have no role.
Very well. I am adding. I will grant you. Which district?
Is a district.
Purbo Bardhaman.
District Inspector of Schools within bracket PE Purbo Bardhaman is directed to file a report in the form of affidavit disclosing when father of the petitioner was treated to have retired on superannuation in terms of the relevant rules.
Chairman DPSC is the party.
Stop. Let such affidavit, let such report be filed by fortnight from date. Stop. Next paragraph. Leave is granted to the learned advocate representing the petitioner to amend the cause title of this writ petition and add District Inspector of Schools within bracket PE close bracket Purbo Bardhaman as additional respondent in course of this day. Stop. Service of notice upon additional respondent stands dispensed with since state is represented by learned additional government. Next paragraph. List the matter under the heading motion on